With the Logos 8 Atlas tool, you can connect the biblical story with its geography and visualize the physical context of the biblical text. Let's imagine we're reading through a text like John chapter 4, and you come across verse 3, which says that Jesus left Judea and departed again for Galilee, and he had to pass through Samaria. To visualize his journey, open up the Atlas tool by going to the Tools menu and selecting Atlas. When the atlas appears, Logos gives you a list of maps in the left-hand pane, as well as the option to search for maps by person, place, event, or map. If you're unable to see the side menu, select the menu button from the top left and the menu will appear. Alternatively, you can access the Atlas tool from the Passage Guide or from an Everything search. It's important to remember that the Atlas tool requires internet connection, so it will not work when you're offline. Right away, you'll notice that Logos organizes Atlas maps by period, letting you quickly navigate to a particular map that fits the context of your study. Selecting one of the map options automatically generates a topographical map of the area and provides route information that shows you the path the biblical characters took. As you can see, there are a ton of Atlas options, so let's narrow these down by using the search option above. Probably the most helpful way to find the right atlas is by searching by passage. So if I type John 4 into the search bar and then select the reference, Logos will give me a few options related to this biblical passage. From the list, select the option Jesus and the Samaritan woman. Now the Atlas tool highlights the area in which this story occurred. The zoom options in the top right of the window allow you to zoom in and out by clicking the plus and minus buttons. And you can recenter your screen by simply clicking on the map and dragging it to reorient the view. The map legend will help you identify the various features of this map and show you what each symbol means. The orange line connects Jesus' starting point, Judea, with his ending point, Jacob's well in Samaria, showing us the exact route that he took. Hovering over the map features opens a tooltip displaying a portion of the factbook entry for this location. What's insightful about this map is that Jews normally avoided this region, going around Samaria altogether because they considered the inhabitants to be unclean. But Jesus refused to take the normal route and head straight for Jacob's well to meet with a particular woman. To measure the distance of this journey, press and hold Command on Mac or Control for Windows. Then click your location and drag the mouse. A circle will appear over the map with a label displaying the radius of the circle and the distance from the 2 points. You can print or export the map to several different file formats. To do so, open the Atlas panel menu and select Print Export. A dialog box will appear with printing and exporting options. Again, for more information on the region or characters from this story, click on the factbook links at the top to open the tool and continue learning. The Logos 8 Atlas tool lets you better visualize the biblical world by connecting the Bible to the places it occurred.